Hello friends, in this video we will see how to run shell script on Windows operating system. Here I am using Windows 7. For this we will see what is shell scripting. A shell script is a list of commands in a computer program that is run by Unix shell. We will write a simple shell program. To write shell program I am using Notepad++ application. This is a simple shell script. We have to save this file with .sh extension. I am saving this file on my desktop. To run this .sh file, I am using Git Bash application. Git Bash is an application for Microsoft Windows environment which provides an emulation layer for Git command line experience. Bash is the acronym for Bourne Against Shell. I have already installed Git Bash application on my system. You can download Git Bash from below link and can install it. To run shell script, just drag and drop .sh file on Git Bash. This is our .sh file. Just press enter. It is executing commands in .sh file. Like this you can run shell programs on Windows system. Thanks for watching.